Finally, we hit our target and even more. We were looking at 71K. At some point, we looked at 72K because we saw more liquidity. But Bitcoin, as usual, surprised us. Bitcoin hit $73,500. The question now is, what next for Bitcoin and altcoin? Are we going to commence the altcoin season after Bitcoin hits $23,000? Or we are going to see Bitcoin dominating the market and yeah, keep going to the all-time high, let's say 80K or $100,000. However, crypto bubbles can show clearly to you that on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is beating all the coins that are in the top 100 space. And if we look at the top 200 coins, you can see that Bitcoin is dominating as well, except of paper coin, virtual that are doing somehow awesome. And if we go next, we're gonna see that Mundeng, Pops, well knows for the week are the only coins that are doing well against Bitcoin. And if we go further to the top 400 coins, you can see less Maga also is there. Wolf, Alas, MPL, when base die. And if we go to the top 500, you can see clearly also that there are some few coins, and most of the coins that are doing so well against Bitcoin are meme coins. Most of them are meme coins. So today I want us to analyze what is going on in the market right now. Let's look at the macro and the micro. Let's see what price might give us for the next, let's say, before the US election. I think the US election is going to be the biggest catalyst that's going to change everything. And I think what they are doing right now, the market makers, they are pumping price. They are pumping price just to bring it back down. And if they bring it back down, that might impact other altcoins. Your altcoins or our altcoins can, plunge downward before they plunge upward. So today I want us to establish, not really predict anything, but we look at price action, look at zones that if say price break those zones, then we can take it from there. And yeah, if you have some coins you want us to look at, make sure you comment the coins below and let me know where you are watching from. Has my TA help you somehow to make money in this game? And if you're someone who wants to get my buy and sell signal, you want to know what I'm buying when I'm buying it, my friend, make sure you go below this video. There's a link there where you're going to connect to my link tree, and from there you're going to get links that are going to take you to buy and sell signal. You can join it. It costs $20 monthly. If you make money, then that's nothing. Okay, if you make money, you can make so much money, and you pay only $20. So that's just how it is. By the way, if you haven't yet subscribed, do subscribe and see all of you. You are here, all the Beton people. Jacqueline, best analyst so far. You are welcome. Always, Jacqueline. You are the best. You are the best, Informa Victor. Thanks so much, Informa. Onyebuchi. I hope I pronounce it well. I love your analysis. Thank you so much. I love you guys also. Good evening, Onyebuchi. I can see you, all of you. Yeah, I'm gonna look at all of your coins, but let me first of all look at Bitcoin, the market. Let's see what's going on there before we go into your coins. But just pay attention. Don't focus only on your coin. Focus on the idea, the analysis, the knowledge behind what I do on this platform. So don't just focus on your coin, but look at what you can learn to apply to your coin, even when I'm not gonna be here for some time. Maybe if I'm not here ever, you're gonna take this knowledge to apply to any coin that you are investing in right there. Mohammed Tahi, I can see all of you, but let's dive right away to what we got. Now, I always start with crypto bubbles. Why? Crypto bubbles give me an overall of what is going on in the market, and I can look right up to the top 1,000 coins, and I can see which coins are doing so well, or which levels are doing so well. We have the first level, which is the top 100 coins. The second level is the top 200 coins, and the third level is the top 300 coins, right up to the top 1,000 coins. Now I can see clearly that for the week, Bitcoin is doing so well against all of these. You can see even exchanges, Bitcoin is doing well against all of these coins, right? And if you go to the interface, you can see clearly what I've been trying to say here, Bitcoin is doing so well. But now let's look at the day. Which coins have been doing well for the day? We can pick it from this day that Bitcoin started doing so well. You can see Popcat is up 11%, Nego is up 6%, Hex is up 17%, Sui is up 14%, WIF is up 7%, and many other coins that are in green. They are doing well against Bitcoin and can do this right up to the top 100, 1,000 coin. I can see here, you can see almost everything is in green. Why? Because the big daddy is doing so well. So crypto bubbles helps me to look at the bigger picture, what the entire market is doing from the top 100 coins to the top 1,000 coins. Now let's dive into other aspect of the market. I think I wanted to show you guys. First of all, let's look at this liquidation heat map. Now, this is a free tool, guys. Trust me. This tool can help you save a lot of money or prevent you, or not to prevent, yeah, prevent you from losing money as well. Okay. Now, all the levels that I have been looking at this liquidation heat map, it has been in confluence to my analysis, like my chart. So I look at my chart and I look at where I see liquidity and I look at structure. I try to determine or like to analyze whether they can push price to grab most of the liquidity above. Now, in this case, we have liquidity just closer to $74,000. So can they go and make the all-time high, the next all-time high, push price to $74,000? If that's the case, then we don't want to see price break. I'm going to show you guys on the chart, or anyways, we don't want to see price go below 70K. If they want to push price to the next all-time high, we don't want to see price go below 70K. Let me just say it that way. Now let's get into the chart of Bitcoin to analyze what is going on now. We are on the 15 minutes time frame, but let me show you guys something on this chart. This is a weekly time frame for Bitcoin. Now, looking at this other block here, you can see we had liquidity that we had so much liquidity here, about 16 million, 16.11 million here, that price has come to grab. This area in red is signifies liquidity. That means most people who had short orders, they placed the stop loss here, and now the market makers have gone to liquidate them. So are we going to see more downward pressure from where price is, because we haven't yet gone to make the next all-time high? Maybe we have. I think we have. Yeah, maybe we have. Looking at this chart, maybe we have. Yeah, I think we have. I think we are going to make the all-time high, but it didn't close above the all-time high. If we look at lower time frame, let's see, the 5 minutes time frame. Let's see if say price did go to. Yeah, I think we did go right to the all-time high. Yeah, but it wasn't that significant. But let's stay on this chart because there's something I want you guys to see here. Now, this zone is an important zone and it's in confluence to what I showed you guys here. Let me go back to this liquidation heat map. You can see we have this liquidity here around $74,000, and price came here, and immediately price came there. We saw pushback to the downside. Now let's get back to this chart. So looking at this zone now, if we see price, this is the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. If we see Bitcoin break above and form the next all-time high, then I think we might quickly see a huge dump in the market or a huge form to the upside. Of course, if say Bitcoin is to just break and make the all-time high, the next all-time high, then I think this is in correlation to what is happening now. Like the U.S. election is about to go on, like in about 5 or 6 days, we're gonna experience the U.S. election, and Trump is the favorite, and most investors are pricing that Trump is gonna win, and if Trump wins, they are thinking it's gonna be good for crypto. Of course, it doesn't matter who is gonna win, Trump or Kamala, crypto is gonna be okay, fine. Because if Kamala wins, she has promised to print a lot of money, and we know what happens if you print a lot of money. Then it's gonna reflect to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is gonna soak all of that money. So looking at this right now, I would say we still have some upside for altcoin, and we're gonna also analyze dominance to see where we are with dominance. I mean USDT dominance and also Bitcoin dominance. We're gonna look at it to see where we are right now. So let's dive straight away to dominance. Now dominance is very important, guys. I've drawn this zone here. This is like um trend line, and this trend line is going to take us right up to this area where the alpha trend printed this sell signal. Remember, guys, don't forget this zone. This is our key zone. I know most people are calling 60k for bit 60% dominance before we see massive drawdown for for Bitcoin dominance before all coins kickstart. But I'm gonna say otherwise. Why? Because looking at this chart, at least we should get to where the move started, where the alpha trend put this sell signal, and this is about 66%. So before I see or before I confirm any altcoin chasing, I want to see dominance get to at least 65%, not only 60%, because most investors or most analysts are calling for 60%. That from 60%, we're gonna see altcoin season commence. I think for me, it's from 65%. Let's see who is gonna win. But by the way, it doesn't matter if say 60% or 65%. We trade market structure. If structure keep giving us the opportunity to trade, then we're gonna trade structure. Now, looking at this, nothing has changed from our previous analysis. What has changed is just that dominance has increased 2%. Back yesterday, I think it was 68%. Today is 62%. Yeah. So let's dive now into USDT dominance. Okay. Remember what I told you guys about this dominance, USDT dominance. Whenever you see whenever you see price dumping like in percentage, it means that investors are favoring more crypto. Like in this case, we see that dominance. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame. You can see this is USDT dominance. So you can see right now we are seeing dominance dropping down to 5%. And remember in one of my videos I mentioned that if we see dominance drop to 5%, that's USDT dominance 5%, we might see other altcoins skyrocket to the upside, and Bitcoin also can get to the next all-time high. And this almost happened. You can see, but it didn't stay around the 5% zone. Now, what we should expect next is this dominance pullback a little bit, and I think this is gonna cause the price of Bitcoin and altcoin to drop, because when dominance is reversing or is pulling back, or is pumping to the upside, it means that investors are favoring more USDT. So if they favor more USDT, they're going to sell off their cryptocurrency or take out profit from the Bitcoin that they made, or the profit from from trading Bitcoin or investing in Bitcoin, or all the other coins that have been pumping recently. So they're going to cash out profit and send it into USDT. So this is what we are looking now at the macro perspective in the market. Of course, we can look at some news that might come up. I don't trade news. I don't look at news often. We don't talk about news on this channel, but I focus solely on the chart, price action, support and resistance, and all the other good stuff that we discuss here. So this is it for the macro level, macro analysis of Bitcoin, the altcoin market. Oh no, talking about the altcoin market, let's see what Total 2 is doing right now. This is Total 2. No, yeah, Total 2. Oh, this bad boy looks bullish. Even though we are looking at this on the 4 hours time frame, this dip was as a result of the Bitcoin dip. Or you can see, guys, just recently Bitcoin dip. You look at this dip here on this 4 hours time frame for you know Total 2. Now let's look at Total 3. Let's see. Yeah, the same thing. Look at this dip here. But the good thing is we have broken structure here on the 4 hours time frame, and also on, let's see, on the daily time frame. Yeah, we should close above this zone. But look at this liquidity here. That's grabbed this liquidity. So what we're looking at Total 3, and guys, these are all cryptos excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if we see this move like this, then come down, then to the next, the upside, then we might confirm a breakout for altcoin, and this might kickstart the altcoin season for sure. But let's just keep our mind closed or our eyes open. Look at structure. If say price maintain the structure above, if price close above this zone here, then we should be looking at altcoins to explode. And this might be the case with Total 2. You can see the same thing here. We have liquidity here. So if say it breaks out above this zone, come back, retest it, then can take the ride to the upside. There's lot of time here for this to play. Trust me. I also have something that I'm going to share with you guys in my subsequent live stream, and this is one of my indicators. It helps me to look at entry. Like if say, and it's mostly on the daily time frame. I want to show you guys the indicator, but it's mostly on the daily time frame. I wait for price to break the indicator, and whenever price pull back to the indicator, I buy instantly without any flinch. And this is going to be based on what Bitcoin has done and what the altcoin market is doing as well. So um, let me just go straight away to you guys. I mean, what coins do you have here for me? I think I've talked much about um, almost everything macro, but let's dive into some altcoins right now. Let's see which altcoins we have so far. So if you are watching, let me know where you are watching from. I can see most of you are watching on X. Come to YouTube and let me know which coins you have so I can chat them for you. Now, let me see. How do I join your group, sir? Are you part of my free Telegram group? If you want to join my group, go to the description of this video, and you're gonna find my link tree. This is my link tree. You just go there. This is my link tree. The link. Let me just paste the link to the chat right now. But I hate to paste link on the chat because it can lead to those guys. So this is my link. You can use my link to, yeah. So that's it. Go to my link tree. Click on the first link that says join my VIP group to get access to my buy and sell or take profit signal. Or you can join my group on YouTube. You can join my my YouTube group or become a member of YouTube, and from there you can gonna get the link to join my VIP group. Okay, so you can do that. You can use my just join straight away from YouTube, become a member. Then from there you're gonna get the link to join my VIP group. Okay, so that's that. Let's see. Someone mentioned Floki. Okay, let's dive into Floki and see um what we got for Floki here. Oh boy. Um, let me stick on. Yeah, Floki looks good. It looks so good. Yeah, like really good. Let me see. I think thing on the next thing Floki is gonna do is go and grab this liquidity here, this one here, grab this one. So this is gonna be a huge move to the upside. After the pump, we saw this pullback, and we haven't seen price go to retest this zone, and there's huge liquidity there that I think they're gonna push price there. So yeah, this looks interesting, guys. Now let's dive to the daily time frame. Let's see what we got here for Floki. Yeah, guys, I think looking at what Bitcoin has done, I can guarantee you that Floki, is gonna make a move after Bitcoin pullback. So when Bitcoin pull back, a little bit, the profit that most investors have made from Bitcoin is going to be poured into most of the altcoins, and Floki is going to be one of those coins. I myself, I think I'm going to be looking at Floki because I think it hasn't done anything yet. Well, this is going to be the play. You can either buy right now or you buy when price is going to eat most of this liquidity here, then you buy pullback. So you can do that. For me, I think after the show, I'm going to go to the lower time frame, let's say 4 hours time frame, to see if I can place a buy. Yeah, you can see clearly price has gotten to this area here where the alpha trend created a sell signal, and from there we have seen minor pullback. So the next target is going to be this other area here. We have about 61.766 billion to be liquidated here, and we have also something here. I think that was in the past, and that was taken also. So this one is not yet taken, and I think they can push price there to grab it. So you can swing trade Floki, for now, I think, but you can have your stop loss right below here. So I think if say you're swing trading this coin, maybe you have like $1,000, you can make some quick gains from it. Okay, let's say it move. Let me see on the weekly time frame. Let me see how many percentage that was to the upside to grab the liquidity. Let me do this quickly from here. That's gonna be 88%. So if you have $1,000, you can use it. You can almost double it with Floki. You don't have to buy every coin. Okay, At times, when I tell people buy this coin, buy that coin, is because I want you to protect your money. I want you to have a balanced portfolio that makes you money over a long period of time. You're going to be adding money to the coins, like buying the coins until maybe the next 5 years. But if say you want to be a trader, you want to trade this coin, you want to swing trade this coin, swing trade and build your capital, then you can choose one coin, and when that Bitcoin has pumped, you can, or when the market is in hype or dumping, you can spread your money into many other coins, like top coins out there, before taking your money back to a particular coin. Like in this case, we have Flocky Ino. You can put your money in Flocky Ino and wait. And then maybe if say it dip, let's say for example, let's say price goes against us. Let me just take this example. Yeah, let's say price goes against us from here to this where I mentioned stop loss. They're gonna be 40%. Wow, wow, that's gonna be huge. So you might lose about 40% of your money. Mm. And it might happen. Okay, don't get me wrong. It might happen. So at times, as much as you can make money by putting your all of your money in one coin, but it's also risky to put all of your money in one coin. Only someone like us can do this. Not only us, but those of you who understand TA, or you're gonna already know. You won't wait until price gonna get to that level, but you're gonna see, yeah, that price gonna break structure, yeah. And if price break structure, yeah, then you're gonna cash out, or sell at at a loss. Excuse guys. Let me see. Oh, watching from Nigeria, my brother from Nigeria. You are welcome. It's Iyoma Victor Okechukwu. You're welcome, my brother. Um, Try and check baby bong. You have been talking about this baby bong for a while now. Let me just go quickly and check baby bong. Okay, so this is baby bong. Hmm, I didn't know bong has a baby. All right. This looks good. Okay. I think okay, guys, whenever you see a move like this, okay, whenever you see price like this coin baby bond was launched, and we saw this huge pump, we saw this sellout. Most of those who bought here cash out their profits, and now some people FOMO in, they cash out more profit from them, and now is moving sideways. So looking at this area here, there's a range here, there's a zone that price formed when price was dumping, or was when price was pumping. This is it. So where baby bond is at this zone where if I'm an investor of this coin, then, or if I'm swing trading this coin, then I'm gonna buy, like buy now. Okay, of course I'm not telling you to buy like financial advice, no. But based on my TA, if I'm gonna be like if I was the one trading this coin or investing in this coin, then I'm gonna buy it like now. Looking at what Bitcoin has done. you know. So now what will be the target if say I buy here? Now for me to know my target, I have to set up two zones, because I have the first area is where the move started to the downside, this upside, and the second one is this zone here. Now let's pick in the first one. From this top to the bottom here, so this should be the first take profit zone, the 0.1382, looking at the Fibonacci 2. Now, the second area is going to be the zero point 0.5, which is going to be this 0.00000086346, and the last is going to be the golden pocket. So this is the last zone where you're going to cash out your profit. But after that zone, we're going to see pullback, or we're going to see price do something like this, go up, then come back and retest this before going to the upside, or maybe go to the downside. So that's what could happen with baby bong. Now, the other zone is to take. Let me take this quickly. The other zone is to bring in the fib from the top here, this area. Others pull back there to this area here, and you can see also clearly that this zone, in this case you're going to look at the 0.786 zone, like this area here, to cash out your profit completely and wait for break of structure, because this is going to be a strong area to break. If price get there, we must expect pullback from that area. And why? Because we have seen multiple you know traded volume here. See, price reject here multiple times, one, two, three, four. So there's high chances that if say price get there, price is gonna reject as well. Now, if say price is gonna break that zone, this is what we should expect. Let's say it break that zone, you can expect pullback. Can buy during this pullback, then take the right to this area here, where we have the liquidity. So that's my analysis for baby bond on the macro perspective. So what I've just done here, ignore excuse me, excuse, I have cold. I still excuse, I'm sorry. Yeah. So if you are a swing trader, okay, when you buy now, ignore all the noise in the market, except you see price come, right down and close below. And even if price close below, except the coin is going to zero, like the community is dead, then don't pay attention to anything. Because if even price break below, price is gonna come back with test, then that's when you're gonna cash out, sell at any loss. Okay, so price is gonna always pull back to certain key areas before continue to the downside. If that coin has real investors or real traders. Okay, let me see. Or AI, please, Ondo. Okay, I love you. You guys are giving me good coins, Ondo. Let's see what's going on here with Ondo. Hmm. Let's see. This is Ondo on the daily time frame. Now, guys, again, the same thing applies. Okay. I'm gonna bring in my Fibonacci tool from the top to this area that I think maybe is the bottom. And what do you see? Price has already approached this area, the 0.382 zone area, and price formed this liquidity here. And we saw how price attempted to go and make higher, make lower lows, but price didn't succeed. Why? Because price found this support zone here, this area here. And provided price is above this zone, then we are bullish for Ondo. Looking at what Bitcoin has done. Now, the next target I think is gonna be this the golden pocket here. So ignore this second one, which is gonna be the 0.5 zone. Target this area here. So this should be your target if say you are a swing trader. Or maybe you can take it right up to the out season. Like if say price keep maintaining structure, respecting structure, then you can take it right up to, like, as long as price keep creating higher highs and higher lows. So I think a new trend is starting here. We're gonna see a new trend here. After this downtrend, we're gonna see price start forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So keep an eye on this trend here, this particular trend here. Let me just try to see if say I can bring in this trend line. Let's see. Yeah. So maybe price gonna respect this trend line, keep going to the upside until you get to this zone here, this area here. So price can be doing something like this: come down, do up, come down, do up, come down, do up, for Ondo. So yeah, that's that for Ondos. What next, guys? Let's what next? What next? By the way, if you are here, follow me on X, guys. Follow me on X. This is my X. Not like X, but this is my X. You know what I mean. you know, just imagine that I'm saying this is my ex, and my wife is next to me. Who is your ex? Oh boy. So this is my, ex, my ex, my Twitter um handle. Or yeah, so follow me on Twitter. Let me not keep saying my ex or ex. It's funny. I want to bring in the liquidity, the liquidation heat map. I don't know if say freeze my laptop, but I want us to see where we have some orders in the market. Let me see if say, uh, but I hopefully it's not gonna freeze my laptop. Boy, it's not gonna freeze my laptop. It consumes a lot of energy. When I use it, I don't use anything else. Let me see. AI Tech. AI Tech, is it a coin also? Let me see. AI Tech. Is this the one? AI Tech. Let's see. Is this the coin? AI Tech USDT. Um, yeah, we have been seeing AI coin plunging to the downside, like this coin. Um, on the weekly time frame, I think if we see like okay, for this coin, if this is a coin, guys, this should be a zone where if say price is gonna go to either direction, like break either direction, then gonna be the direction that price gonna favor. So if price break below here, then price gonna come straight to this area, this low here. But if price break above, then price is gonna attempt this area here, then retest this zone, then maybe take the ride to the upside. But most of these coins, I don't know more about their fundamentals. But looking at the chart on the daily time, on the weekly time frame, I will say to you that if you believe in the community, if you think that this coin has potential, then buy it. This is a good zone to DCA, like to buy, and you can buy. Then if price break below this area, then maybe you sell because I don't see any reason why price should break below. If you see this coin is a good coin, okay, I don't see any reason why price should break below. Why? Bitcoin has done so well recently. If I want to see pullback with altcoins, not um such altcoins. This altcoin have already pulled back a lot. So if say we are seeing pullback from Bitcoin and altcoins that are going to move alongside Bitcoin, it's not going to be this coin like coins like this. Let's say altcoins like Solana, Ethereum, and the top 1,000 coins. I don't know if this coin is among the top 1,000 coins, but I guess not. You know, I guess not, or maybe you know. So yeah, but I don't think this coin should go down further. Yeah, core is a good project. Yeah, core, but I'm not holding core. I traded core a while ago, but I'm not holding core. But it's a good project for sure. It's a good project. I know about core, but again, let's just see on the 1 hour time frame. So the daily time frame. You see, these are some of the coins that Bitcoin is crushing. So if Bitcoin is crushing this coin, like let me go to a different chart. Let me look at it here. No, not here. Not here. Okay, this one. See, we are getting pullback. Yeah, so we should expect a bounce from here. And this bounce, oh, okay. Now, I'm gonna go to call. Let's just look at something here, guys. This is an area where if you want to trade Bitcoin on lower time frame, this should be the area where you look for trades. Price is not come here. You look for trade here. Okay, short-term trade. Now, I myself, I'm gonna look for a trade here. So if price get into this zone, I think we're gonna see a quick bounce. And if say price is not able to go and make higher highs from here, which I doubt, price is not gonna go make higher highs, then we might see price get to either of these moving averages here, either the 200 moving average or the bottom moving average. Now, if the price lose this zone and break below straight away to this moving average here, then there's also another zone where you should pay attention to that price have traded multiple times. This area here, you see. So these are the zones. This is how I trade. This is how I invest. I invest in zones. So if price lose this zone, then the next zone is going to be here, and again you can see the next zone is going to be here, until we go back to $68,000 where we have some liquidity. I show you guys here. You can see clearly that we have liquidity here around 68, but for it begins from 70 right down to $68,000. So they can push price back there. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin short term, but long term Bitcoin is it's bullish. Now let's get to core. Let me see what core has done for today. Core on OKX. Yeah. Okay, not bad. You can see core is dumping as Bitcoin is dumping, right? When Bitcoin was pumping, core was pumping. So core is moving alongside Bitcoin. Okay, so this is good. It's good. I love to see a coin move alongside Bitcoin. you know Now where Bitcoin is, the same thing with core. You can see clearly. Look at this formation here, guys. So it means if you are using core to make more Bitcoin, if we're gonna see pullback from Bitcoin, at this zone, then the same thing will happen with core here. You can see clearly, this coin is moving alongside Bitcoin or with Bitcoin. you know yeah, so these are the zones that you can place a trade here or buy some here, then sell where when price get to the alpha trend. So okay, now I have my liquidity heat map. Let me see if say I can bring it to you guys, but let's allow it to load a little bit. I was skeptical that it's not gonna load, but let me see if I can bring it here with you guys. Okay. Um um let's just see where we have some liquidity. It's still importing historic data. Okay, you can see, guys, we have orders here at 71,800, 71,840. You can see the area that we have red zone here, are the areas where we have orders. So they are going to come here and grab this liquidity here. They will come grab it here. And if we look above, we don't see anything closer above that they can go and grab. You can see nothing above. So the trend is down, down, down. You can see the sweep 385 Bitcoin here, 333 point no 337, and now we have 309 Bitcoin here that are gonna come to grab, in a not in a not in a while, in a short, in a jiffy, in a short while, you're gonna come and grab this coin here. Oh, it's like I'm getting tired when I start talking as if I'm dying. Guys, give me some momentum. I don't know, like, just give me more momentum. I want to see more awesome coins from you guys. Oh, you mentioned Crow. Crow, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah, I was investing in Crow once, but it's been a while. I haven't been looking at Crow, but let me use the opportunity and look at Crow since you brought it up. Um, let's go and check on Crow. Oh boy, this bad boy is also pumping. Well, this is the 15 minutes time frame. Let's look at this on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, now, um, again, this should be the target for Crow. This zone here should be the area where you cash out profit. If you are already in Crow, don't sell anything now, right? Don't sell. Wait for price to play until it gets to 0.086. But I think during this bull market, if say we see coal keep doing this, then we might see one coal get to $1. It happened before, so it might happen again. And this is um coal is crypto.com coin. This is the ecosystem coin, and I think if say the Kronos ecosystem keep building, keep growing, big, just like BNB is big, Coinbase and all these exchanges. If say we see the core ecosystem keep expanding, we see more project launching on the Kronos chain, then it might push. the price of gold to the upside. I think so. I think so. That should be the case. But now let's just assume that this is the bottom, right? You can see this area, you know. Now the next trend is to the upside. So if we are going to see some sort of pullback in Bitcoin, it wouldn't mean anything for this coin because it has already done. If you look at the daily time frame, okay, it's already done. Now this is how I get in coins like this. You know, I use two tools: the beta moving average and the alpha trend. Now, when the alpha trend print a buy signal, like something like this, but now we are still in a sell signal. So let's wait for a buy signal. So this is what I want to see. I want to see price go above this my moving average, the beta moving average. Then I'm buying when price pull back to the moving average. It doesn't matter if say price doesn't go like that, but I want to buy again whenever I see price get back to that moving average. So that's how I get into most coins out there on the daily time frame. This is one of the ways I use to get into coin. I use my moving average. I created this moving average. So if you want it, let me know and I want to teach you how to use it. You know, I don't use it often. I use it occasionally, like mostly when I look at the daily time frame, when I get my entry, you know, then I use my moving average to give me a perfect entry after I look at after I must have looked at other confluence. Yeah. So yeah, that's that for Chrome. Hopefully, guys, that you are understanding all what I'm saying here, the thought process behind what I do. I want to believe you're understanding everything because I'm here to make sure you understand. My lips are so dry. Mm. I'm here to make sure you understand everything. So if say you don't understand, let me know at the comment section that you don't understand. I'm gonna explain to you again. You know, this is an opportunity for you to get more of me. You know, you are correct, sir. The person told me it moves alongside with Bitcoin. The same thing with Pepe. Yeah, Pepe to move alongside Bitcoin. You know, that's how I move. Like this is my strategy. I buy coins that move alongside Bitcoin, and when these coins have moved, like let's say, for example, core. Let's say core move like 30%. Okay, 30%. Immediately I see that, I cash out the profit, you know, and buy Bitcoin. Okay, then let's say that coin is my coin. Of course, I'm gonna be buying that coin always. And I see a quick retracement in that coin. Let's say it retraces 10% or 20% after the pump, the 30% pump. Now, if I buy it back again with my Bitcoin, I'm getting it at a cheaper price. And even if Bitcoin must have dumped, let's say 5%, then this coin that move alongside Bitcoin is gonna dump about 50%. Okay, now I sold when price was 30%. Now I'm buying back at at 50% dip, and when price now start going to the upside, you know, I cash the same profit again. So you keep using that coin to make more Bitcoin. I don't fall in love with any coin. I look at coin that have good community, good narrative. You know I understand how to research altcoins. I know even meme coins. I have meme coins that have been making me a lot of Bitcoin. So I look at my stuff that I want to look from those altcoins, and if I see it, then boom, I buy it, cash out my profit. There's so many of them, so many, so many. Let me speak like Trump. you know. um, I just show you guys Bitcoin where it's going to. You know, I just show you guys this liquidity heat map. You see, let's get back to this heat map. Now we have this order. We have orders here around. You can see we have 308 Bitcoin here. If we stay on this live, we're gonna bring price here. We're gonna bring it here. We're gonna eat this liquidity. And if we scroll down, like look at that, look down, we're gonna see that we have more we have more liquidity down here. You see we have 470 Bitcoin here. So if they grab this one, take it back to $71,000, $71,020. Then if they take that one, they're gonna take it down to, let's see if we have more liquidity. Yeah, we have about, look at it, we have so much here, so much for them to come and grab. And if we just go to the heat map, you can see clearly as well what I'm trying to show you there. So this is the heat map. Look at this zone. Look at this area here, from 70 to 68. They can come and grab all of this liquidity here. So yeah, and For me to confirm that, that they're gonna do this, I'm going to stick on the price of Bitcoin to say that Bitcoin must break. Let's go to the um 1 hour time frame. Yeah. So so far as Bitcoin is above 70,000 $71,000, okay, then I'm bullish. I'm still bullish for altcoin. But I don't want to see Bitcoin. Of course, it's going to happen anyways. Even though I say I don't want to see Bitcoin, blah blah blah. But this is what might happen. Let me bring in the Fibonacci tool for Bitcoin. Let's see exactly, not really exactly, but let's see where we should expect the first move to the upside. So yeah, it makes sense. This zone here. So we're not expect price to get there. Then we're gonna see a bounce back to the upside. And if price is not able to go and make higher highs, then price might do something again like this and form a W, can form a W here like this. Then before it pump to the downside towards this where we have the golden pocket. So if you miss it here, you miss it here, then the next target is gonna be around this area, which makes sense, and that is straight away at $68,000. Yeah. So this is no magic. Okay, we have looked at this on this heat map. You can see it has shown us that they can come and grab this liquidity. You can see also on the chart that this might be possible because of what price is doing right now. If price break key structure, then you know that you're gonna head towards that area that I just mentioned. So this is how I do the math. I put myself, like in their shoes because they are all about making money. If they're gonna come here, then the next thing they're gonna do is grab this liquidity here. And if say they come here, the next thing is to grab this one down here. Then before they can start building the next right to the upside. So if you understand how these guys move the market, then you will be enjoying profit from your altcoins most of the time. Okay, so hopefully this has clicked now in your brain. And yeah, guys, I think I've been doing so many coins already. I'm gonna do one. Let's see. Simon Cats. um, I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna do Simon Cat and Mantle. So let's look at Mantle. I hate Mantle. I don't know why. I hate Man. Is it Manta or Mantle? I hate this coin. Mantle. There was a reason why I hate this coin. Let me see. Let me go and find the coin on market cap. Is it Manta or Mantle? What is the ticker? Let's see. Mantle. Okay, MNT. MNT. Okay. I think yeah, there was a reason why I hate this coin. Meat DAO has migrated to 1:1. Okay. I think it was because of the supply. I think so. I think I hated this coin because of the supply. Okay. The max supply is 6.22 billion. The total supply is 6.22 billion. Let's look at the security supply. Okay, it's at 3 point. That means only half is in circulation. So I think this is why I hate the coin, because it's gonna be easy to dump it on anyone during the bear market. So let me just go to the chart and see um MT MNT. Yeah, MNT also is moving alongside Bitcoin. You can see, but it didn't do any gains, any movement today. It didn't move like significantly today. But I love to see what is happening here. Price is respecting structure here. If we pull in the Fibonacci tool from the bottom to the top where the move started, let me see if say price is respecting that zone. Okay, yeah, I think price is respecting the zone, but they can still push price right towards the golden pocket. yeah, before they push it back to the upside. But again, if we look at the daily time frame, let's see. Oh boy, this coin is still weak. It's still weak, and this is a thing. I think it's because of so much supply, which is, I don't know if they locked it or it's just there in the open, that they just sell, dump it in the market, and cash out their profit and do whatever they want to do. I don't know. I just hate any coin that have that most of the supply is not in circulation. I hate every coin. I hate any coin that most of the supply is not in circulation. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't mean that the coin is bad. No, that's not what I'm trying to say. Yeah, I'm just trying to say I don't like any coin has um that has less supply in circulation. So um again, for you to like, this is a structure, yeah, for MNT, yeah. So look at this as a structure. If price is gonna break this to the upside, then wait for pullback here. Now, if price break to the upside, you know, you might not catch the price. So if you believe in the project, you can be buying it here. But I don't believe in this. In like, of course, let me not say I don't believe, but I will not buy such a coin because of so much supply. But if say you are investing in this coin and you love it, don't care if they dump it on you or not, you know, so you can already start buying here because of what Bitcoin has done today. It might pump, I don't know, but there are no signs that it's really moving alongside Bitcoin. Because I think almost every coin out there has pumped at least 2%, 3%. So this is not different. But when I talk about the coins that move alongside Bitcoin, I mean, if say Bitcoin has pumped like 4%, that coin has pumped like 10% or more. You know, so that's what I mean by that. Not that when Bitcoin pump 10% and you just pump 2%. Now, you don't move alongside Bitcoin. Bitcoin is outperforming you. I want to see coins that do well against Bitcoin. That's the idea. Okay. Now let's see. Um, it doesn't matter if say selling USD is free. Doesn't matter. What matters is if say in like to you. Like, don't get me wrong. The network might be good. Okay, like the technology. I'm talking. I'm looking at um. I'm looking at this as an investor, right? An investor or a trader. I cannot invest in this coin. Trust me, or I can't invest in this coin. I can trade the coin short term, right? So why I cannot invest in the coin is because of the fact that most of the supply is not in circulation. And if say it has been unlocked, it could be dumped on me. And I don't want that to happen. I understand so much in crypto that I don't play along with so many coins right now. I can buy so many coins afterward. Most of them have released all of their tokens to the market. I want to see that. I want to see everything in circulation. I want to see some few guys holding that coin and they can dump it on you at any time. So don't get me wrong. You can have, like, for example, I use Arbitrum because of low fees. Tron also is there because of low fees, right? But it doesn't mean that I'm holding Tron coin, right? So there's the difference. And use an ecosystem to trade, but I mean to transact. But of course, that's what I want you to understand. Simon Cat. I don't know what kind of coin is it. Simon Cat. Simon. Is it just cats? Because I put Simon, just put cats. Let me just see. Maybe this is the coin is cats. Okay. If this is the coin cats, it looks bullish, but I will not buy a coin like this. Why? Because it's not giving me any, like, yeah, it's not giving me any. But I'm looking at this on the daily time frame. Okay. Now, if I buy it here, it means I have FOMO in, because there are so many coins that I can buy that are still down here. I can give me huge gains to the upside. So buying this coin right now at resistance, no, it's not a good play for anyone. except maybe like not there's not maybe there. If say I have to be honest, like if say I'm buying the coin, like if say I have an opportunity to trade, someone says like what coin you should buy right now, it's not gonna be this one, okay? Because price has already pumped, and it can I don't care what people are saying, like it can go to 10 billion or 1 billion. What I do care is what I see front of me. I see opportunities, I see possibilities, and if say I don't get a conviction, I'm not gonna go and buy that coin at all. So looking at this, I would say, even though we have seen pullback here, but price didn't go and make higher highs. So we might expect even more pullback depending on what Bitcoin will do, you know. So that's it for Simon Cat. But again, guys, you are welcome. Welcome always. Yeah, we have had some fun today. Look at some awesome coins. You know, that's what we should be doing every day, helping each other to grow. And by the way, if say you haven't yet joined my VIP, first thing first, those of you who understand so much and I've given you guys value so much, then you can become a member of my YouTube channel. That is $3. Okay. But those of you who don't know anything, you want to get my buy and sell signal. You are a novice. You have been buying and losing money, and you want someone to help you, right? Then make sure you become part of my VIP. Well, let me not say well VIP because it's like those who are not VIP. Everyone is important. I mean, the VIP just to distinguish various groups. I would have said my private group, or the BETONG legends, that way. So if you want to get my buy and sell signal, then join my VIP. Now, the thing with you guys is you don't see the bigger picture. Like, if say you pay and become part of my VIP and you keep making money, it won't be as if you're paying. It will be as if you are like just like you're paying um your phone bill and you are using the phone and you are enjoying the phone and you won't feel as if you are even paying the phone bill because you have the phone is producing the money for you to buy or to pay that bill. So my VIP group is not a fun group. It's not a place that I just go and fun. It's a place where I want to make you money. Like, because I want to make myself money, then I'm bound to make everyone that is going to get my buy and sell signal. So I could have come here in the open and give my portfolio to people, but I don't do that. Why? Because I've worked so hard for it, and I believe that those who are going to beg it and those who are going to be there with me throughout. There are so many communities out there, so many. I can go to any one out there, but those who are going to be sticking with me till the end, I've promised most of you that if you have like $5,000 or let's say $1,000, we can take that money to 10,000, like 10,000, 100,000, 20,000. We can take that money to that price point. We can do it gradually. And it's gonna be like there's gonna be a day that we buy coins and it's gonna be bad coins, good coins. But the way I go about risk management, we're not gonna lose money. Okay, the next point is not balance that portfolio and then we start looking at ways to go. Of course, now I'm talking about portfolio management now, but what I actually want to say is, get my buy and sell signal. But portfolio management is different. It's a whole different stuff. That's a different community that I have that I help people every week, every month to help like to manage a portfolio, help them with what to buy and what not to buy. I go deeper, like deeper, I have one-on-one with them. So yeah, it depends on you. But I think my buy and sell signal is the easiest way to get in. Once have made some money, then you can go in for the higher one. Okay, so start with the buy and sell signal. When you make money like the first month, second month, then you can go down to portfolio management. And I deal with more investors in portfolio management, because there's this what I call trading and investment wallet. So if you have, like, let's say for example, I am there to make more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Now I have a wallet that I trade on Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. So I have separate wallets. You know. Now the wallet for Bitcoin, I have coins that I buy alongside Bitcoin. Now when it comes to Solana, I have coins that I buy. Now the idea is I want to make about Solana because I think that if the Bitcoin is not do well, then Solana is not do well. Ethereum is not do well, and all the coins, not let me not say all the coins, most of the top coins in their ecosystems are gonna do well. So if I'm holding Solana, I've already established the fact that Solana is gonna do well because it's a blockchain and it's among the top blockchain out there. Now, another area where I trade more is on the base network. Now, the base network, I use the base network to make more Ethereum. I trade coins like Bread on base. I trade coins like Degen. I trade coins like Mock. I trade coins like OKX. There are many of the coins that I trade on the base network, and my sole purpose doing that is to make more Ethereum. And on Solana, I trade Tron, I trade Rocky, I trade Boomer, I trade Popcat. I bought Popcat, but I sold. Now I'm looking at different coins. I'm not going to be chasing Popcat to 2 billion now. I just made this money. I'm gonna be looking for new coins that can make me more money that can get to that 1 billion and 2 billion and so on. But for now, I'll focus on Rocky, Boomer. I also looking at Trump coin on Solana. So these coins I can help you know when to buy. And today, Degen did 8%. I just before I came live, I just sold and cash out my profit into Ethereum. Now I'm gonna wait for the next thing to happen. If Bitcoin is gonna dip, I know this altcoin is gonna dip as well. Then I look for opportunities. So these are the kind of knowledge you're gonna be getting from me. And if the market is gonna be doing well, then you are gonna be doing well as well. So that's it, guys, for today. Hopefully, this content was helpful to you. If it was helpful, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Haven't said all this good stuff. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe